Hello dear students, I explained you about the pronouns, definition of pronoun, word which comes in place of noun is known as pronoun. The kinds I told you, there are 10 kinds of pronoun, and I explained you the personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, I, you, it or they. These all are the personal pronoun. Okay. So here a definition is also given over there. A pronoun I, you, it or they used instead of a noun that names a definite person or thing is known as personal pronoun. Okay, I think that is clear to you all. And after that I told you the person also. First person pronoun, second person and third person. First person I, me, we, us. Second person you. Third person he, she, it, they, her, them, etc. Okay, so today we will start with the number, gender and case. Okay, that is important with personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are used to represent specific people and thing. That is clear. Specific people और thing को represent करने के लिए हम personal pronoun use करते हैं. This depends on number, person, gender and case. और ये depend करता है किस पे? Number, person, gender and case पे. Now how it depends on number, gender, person and case? Number one is number. The table given below, I am showing you one table, the singular and plural forms of pronoun. There we will use singular and plural form of the pronouns according to person, first person, second person, third person. Look at your screen. First person. In singular, first person pronoun, first you need to understand first person pronoun is I, me, mine. Okay, that we use for singular. I is singular, me is singular, mine is singular. Okay, and first person pronoun plural, we, us, ours, because we is also personal pronoun, first person. Okay, but it is used as plural. We will go to the party means more than one. तो वी फर्स्ट पर्सन है, प्रोनाउन है बट प्लूरल है. सिमिलरली आई फर्स्ट पर्सन है, प्रोनाउन है बट सिंगुलर है. नाउ सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन यू, योर्स इन सिंगुलर एज वेल एज इन प्लूरल. यू को हम सिंगुलर और प्लूरल दोनों में कंसिडर करते हैं. आई कैन से हे यू कम हेयर means I'm talking about I'm talking to one person, and you all will do that task means I'm talking about so many people, you all will do. So you we will use singular as well as with plural. Next is third person, he, him, his, she, her, hers, it. These all are considered as singular. He means talking about one boy, he. She, one girl, her, about one girl. And for plural, third person is they, them, theirs. They all are coming. So more than one. Now next is gender. From the table it is clear that you and yours can be either singular or plural. You and your plural और singular दोनों में same ही use होता है, right? Gender, in gender, I, me, mine, we, us, ours, you, yours, both masculine and feminine. Now see, I, if I'm talking about I will eat this, so you cannot recognize that whether I is used for a girl or for a boy. Okay, if I'm writing I will do my work and you don't know who have written this, that means that may be singular, it may be plural, sorry, it may be masculine and it may be feminine. So I cannot define कि ये masculine gender है या feminine. So it is both masculine and feminine. Similarly me and mine also. For we, there may be so many. So it is also, we cannot say that it is masculine only or feminine only. So that is why both masculine and feminine we use we. Both masculine and feminine we use I. Okay, a girl can also say I, a boy can also say I. Okay, similarly us, ours, you, yours. These all are the words, these all are the pronouns which we use for masculine as well as feminine both. Next is he, him, his. He, always we will use for a male gender. Always we will use for masculine. He, him, his, masculine. Similarly she, her, hers, feminine. We will not use she for a boy. We will not use she for a man. We will always use she for female. So feminine gender. It is neuter. Neuter means nor female nor masculine, neither masculine nor feminine. न्यूटर के लिए न्यूटर केस में हम इट यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, फॉर टेबल, for watch, for any other article. So for that we will use it. But also use for babies and animals. it को हम babies और animals के लिए भी यूज़ करते हैं. वैसे तो ये न्यूटर है, बट it we will use for babies and for animals also. Now last is they, them, theirs, for all genders. they में masculine भी include होता है और feminine भी, for them and as well as for theirs also, right? Now number 3 is case. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Used as subject. हम हमेशा I को as subject यूज़ करते हैं. I will finish my lunch. I will finish my work. तो I is always used for subject. Similarly, we will go to the party. So we will always use for as subject. Similarly, you, he, she, it, they. ये सब हम nominative case के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, means subjective case, subject के लिए. For example, I love the book. Okay, he loves the books, right? So he subject, I subject. Next is me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Used as object. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. ये सब हम as object use करते हैं. We can also say it accusative case, objective case or accusative case. Example is my brother loves me. My brother loves her. So it is used as object. Her, me, him, us. Okay. And the last one is mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. Used to show possession. Possessive case. One is nominative case, means subject. Second is accusative case, means object. And third is possessive case, means possession. जहाँ पे हम अपना possession show करते हैं. Possession means अपना अधिकार. Like this chair is mine. ये मेरी कुर्सी है. These chairs are ours. ये हमारी chairs हैं. Means हमारी, मेरी, मेरा. Possession. So for that we use the pronouns we use to show possession. These all are considered as possessive case, like mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. Okay, understood? Revise it, and next exercises that I will discuss with my in my next video. Now see what you need to do here. Underline the personal pronouns in the following sentences and say for what each stands. So that we will do together. You need to only and only revise it. Okay, for your upcoming examinations, revise it properly, and if you have any doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you.